Hello, hair loss sisters. I just wanted to go over some tips and tricks. If you're having issues with your hair topper sliding around, like maybe the combs just don't feel secure enough, I just wanted to offer some help with that. Now, I have very, very thin hair. Like, I'm definitely on the progressive end of thin hair. So mine will tend to slide around. So I use these tips and tricks in my own everyday wear. So the first one, and to me, the most easiest one, is using some kind of texture spray. This can be hairspray. I will use it like right about here. Like, I know that's where my clips are going to land. So I kind of do that all the way around. So then, you know, I go and I can already tell that there's just so much more texture to my hair. It's not just those thin wisps. It just kind of like plumps up the hairs, I guess. And then there's like that makes it feel so secure to me. So that's one option. Another option is you take your comb, preferably a back comb specific comb. I am not good at back combing. It's never been a thing. It's something I've never been good at, which is funny because back combing is a good thing to know how to do if you have thinning hair. I just have never mastered it. So, but if you are one of those that you hold your hair up, and I guess I could take the topper off, but since I said I don't know how to do it on myself, I'm just gonna like try to wing it to show you guys. But you take your preferably back comb, you pull the hair the opposite way, and you're pushing that hair down. And this, you're gonna get a much better representation with this topper than with my bio hair. You're gonna do that where the combs are gonna meet, and see how that gives it some lift, and it's gonna make your bio hair bunch up right where those combs are and gives more hair for the comb to grip onto. If those two options do not work for you and you have a lace topper, then of course gluing it down, spraying it down, taping it down, or whatever is gonna be your best option. So hopefully that helps. Again, I preferably like hairspray, and I will spray like in the vicinity of where the clips go. And it really, really helps, because not only does it make your hair tackier and like thicker feeling, but it actually kind of is sticky, so tacky. So it'll it just makes, I don't know, it makes it feel secure to me. But yeah, hopefully that helps. If you have any tips and tricks for our fellow sisters, hair loss sisters, please put it in the comments. You're not going to hurt my pride. You're not going to make me jealous that you know more. I am here about educating to the best of my knowledge and everybody else's knowledge on those that are suffering hair loss, because it is so traumatic, especially in today's world. So yeah, let's share that knowledge and ask all the questions. All right, thanks.